Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me tap on it and then let's find the display. Here, as you can see in the docs display section, we've got the screen timeout option, so let's simply tap on it, and here we've got much more options from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So basically all you have to do in order to set the particular timeout is to tap on it. So I will pick 5 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately applied, I mean not applied but marked, and after getting back you can see that it is applied also, because we've got the information that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.